unboxing video of the new Air Vapormax Plus, which is a combination of the Vapormax that Nike recently introduced along with the Air Max Plus upper. There are some slight differences, and I really do like this model right here. So this is the Sunset model, which takes on the original colorway of the Air Max Plus upper. Definitely one of my favorite colors of the bunch, but we also got the triple white right over here. And we're going to try to combine all of these in one because this is the first batch of the shoes, the Vapormax Plus. Expect to see a lot more colorways of the Vapormax Plus to come in the near future. And you got the triple black as well, as you can see. We're going to be doing a review on this colorway because it's definitely a lot more easier to spot the differences on here, spot some of the details as well. So let's get into this shoe real quick. As you can see, the outsole on the shoe takes on the Vapormax material, Vapormax bottom, so you got all those individual air bags right there with the outsole on the shoe. As you can see, the shoe has a blacked out airbag on that Vapormax midsole. And what I do love about this upper is that usually when you have a Air Max Plus, the midsole is quite hard, but they kind of like softened it up with a little bit of foam throughout the midsole right over here, which is pretty cool. They kept that little DNA over here at the top of the shoe, part of the Air Max Plus. And then the upper part of the sneaker is made out of a neoprene material upper, and then you have like kind of like an update version of the Air Max Plus on the upper with this little cage on the side right there, and then you have that little detail at the front from the Air Max Plus as well. So this is just a perfect shoe right now because combines the hype of the Air Max Plus along with the new generation of Air, which is the Vapormax bottom, which is a real cool detail. The neoprene upper makes the shoe a lot more, how can I say this, a lot more makes the shoe fit like a sock, sorry. So this is an 8.5, and I tried the 8.5, fits me perfectly. You do have like the little tuned air logo, but instead of saying TN, it says VM for Vapormax, which is a little cool addition to the shoe. Obviously you got the little 3M hits there, multiple swooshes throughout the sneaker, which is one on the heel right here, one on the inside of the shoe right here where the cage is, and then you got like your little Vapormax Plus detail at the top of the shoe right there, which is pretty cool. This shoe fits kind of like half a size big. Like I said, I recommend trying it on before. This is what the black color looks like, which is a pretty cool look as well. And then you got the white colorway, which we'll be releasing on February 9th. And then these shoes are available now, released in January 25th, which is pretty cool. So yeah, let's go look at what these shoes look like on feet. Alright guys, so this is what the Sunset Vapormax Plus looks like on feet. We did do an unboxing video to the shoe, and yeah, we did also the other colorways of the Vapormax Plus. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe on feet. In terms of the fit, I am wearing an 8.5 right now, and it fits perfectly fine. Since you have a neoprene upper, it does fit like a sock. There's not much construction except for the cage that holds my foot together, so the shoe does kind of like take the shape of my foot a little bit, and I think the 8.5 fits perfectly. Let me know what you guys think. This is definitely my favorite color out of the bunch. That's pretty much it, guys. Definitely recommend copying this shoe. I like the look of the Air Max Plus, and the Vapormax sole is super comfortable. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit us with a thumbs up or a comment below, and hit the bell so that you won't miss any upcoming sneaker reviews. I appreciate you guys watching. Peace. Let's check out what the other colorways look like on feet. Alright guys, so this is what the triple white Vapormax Plus looks like on feet. This is one of the 3 colorways that we did a review on. Let me know what you guys think of the triple white. I definitely think out of the 3, it's my least favorite colorway, but it is still a pretty dope shoe in my opinion. So you guys let me know what you think about this sneaker on feet. Really comfortable, and I would stay true to size with this shoe because the upper fits like a glove, and since it is majority of a neoprene upper, it does fit to your foot. So yeah, definitely go true to size. Or I also did 8.5, which is a really good size for me too. Thank you guys for watching, I appreciate it, and let me know which one of your favorite colorways of the Vapormax Plus is on the comments below. Let's check out what the black ones look like on feet. Alright guys, so this is what the triple black Vapormax Plus looks like on feet. Did do an unboxing video to the shoe along with 3 other sneakers to let me know which one is your favorite colorway. This is my second favorite. My first favorite is obviously the sunset color, which is the OG Air Max Plus color. But this triple black one is also very, very nice. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe on feet and which one is your favorite. The size-wise, I would definitely go either half a size lower if you want that extra room, go true to size, but half a size is a perfect fit for me. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hit us with a thumbs up in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more sneaker reviews in the near future. Peace.